Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Wi-Fi network not showing in the list on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Wi-Fi network is not showing in your Wi-Fi list, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. In this, the first method you can try is you have to just click on this search menu, then type your control panel. Click on the control panel. Here you have to select a view by category. In this you can see network and internet. Click on that. Then click on network and sharing center. Here you can see change adapter setting. Click on that. Here you have to select your Wi-Fi. Right click on that and you have to make sure that it is enabled. If it is disabled, just right click on that. Here you will show the option enable. Then click on that enable. After trying this, still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Click on the start menu, then type here troubleshoot. Click on the troubleshoot setting. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see network and internet, then click on run. If there is any issue with your network adapter, then it will fixes automatically. After this, still you are facing the issue, then type here network reset. Click on this network reset. Click on reset now. After resetting now, all your Wi-Fi passwords will be gone. After that, it will ask for the restart. You have to restart and if you see your Wi-Fi network name, then add your Wi-Fi password to that. After trying all these options, still you are facing the issue, then you have to update your Windows. For that, you have to just click on the start menu, then click on settings. In left side, you will find here Windows update. Click on that, then click on check for update or resume update here. If there is any update pending, it will update and restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way, you can fix Wi-Fi network not showing in the list on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.